global economy just took a massive hit. The White House announced staggering new tariffs, up to 145% on Chinese electric vehicles and critical battery materials. While other automakers panicked, Tesla isn't just prepared, they're already winning. Elon Musk saw this coming years ago. Tesla has been working for several years to localize supply chains. Makes sense from a cost and logistics standpoint to have supply chains on the same continent where the cars are built. They are the least affected car company by these tariffs. And now, Tesla is unveiling the Model 2, a game-changing electric vehicle built 100% in Texas, starting under $13,700. This isn't just another EV. It's Tesla's declaration of independence from China and a blueprint for the future of American manufacturing. But how did Tesla pull this off? What's inside the Model 2 that makes it so revolutionary? And why is this car about to dominate the global EV market? Let's break it all down. Giga Texas is one of the most advanced factories in the world, spanning over 10 million square feet, bigger than Tesla's Fremont plant. It's designed to pump out over 1 million vehicles per year, with a new car body rolling off the line every 45 seconds. By building the Model 2 entirely in the US, Tesla avoids the new 145% tariffs on Chinese EVs. They also slash logistics costs. No overseas shipping, no port delays, no customs headaches. Estimates suggest Tesla saves $1,200 to $1,800 per car just by keeping production local. Tesla's secret weapon is Giga casting. Instead of welding hundreds of parts together, massive aluminum presses stamp the front and rear underbody in single pieces. This cuts production time by 40%, reduces weight, and makes the car stronger. Fewer parts mean fewer defects, fewer robots, and lower cost. Giga Texas is 80% automated. Elon Musk's vision of a factory is coming to life with fewer workers, higher precision, and unmatched efficiency. This is how Tesla keeps prices low while still making a profit. Giga Texas has created 20,000 direct jobs and supports tens of thousands more in the supply chain. Politicians love it because it aligns perfectly with America's push to bring manufacturing home. Is this the end of cheap Chinese EVs in the US? Can Tesla finally dominate the budget EV market? For years, China has controlled the global EV supply chain. 70% of the world's graphite that is essential for batteries comes from China. 85% of rare earth elements used in motors are mined and refined there. Even lithium, mined in Australia and Chile, is mostly processed in China. But Tesla is now sourcing synthetic graphite from US and Canadian suppliers, ensuring stable prices and no tariffs. Tesla is also partnering with North American lithium producers to refine battery materials right here in the US, avoiding China's 25% tariff. This isn't just about tariffs, it's about control. Tesla is future-proofing its supply chain, ensuring that political tensions or trade wars won't disrupt production. Before moving further, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly subscribe to it now. A Tesla for under $14,000 sounds impossible, but here's how they're doing it. Tesla avoids $1,200 per car in import costs by building in Texas. Sourcing graphite, lithium, and steel locally cuts costs further. Tesla uses Giga casting and automation that uses fewer parts, less labor, faster production. No Chinese EV can compete at this price. Tesla's Model 2 is cheaper than most gas cars. The Model 2 is packed with cutting-edge technology with no dependence on Chinese rare earth materials. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds. Its structural battery pack provides boosting strength, acts as part of the car's frame. Its 15 minutes supercharging with V4 superchargers refills 80% in under 15 minutes. Basic safety features come standard, with full self-driving as an add-on. The future is here now, and it's made in America. The Tesla Model 2 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It proves that America can lead the EV revolution without relying on China. With unbeatable pricing, cutting-edge technology, and a 100% US supply chain, this car is set to dominate. So, what do you think? Is the Model 2 the EV breakthrough we've been waiting for? Will this be the car that finally makes electric vehicles mainstream? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more game-changing tech insights.